Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access to Wordpress and a Google account. Once logged into Google Analytics, create a GA4 property. Copy the measurement ID labeled GXXXX. You'll need it next. In WordPress, install a lightweight analytics plugin that supports GA4 or use theme header insertion. Make sure the plugin is active and updated. Once done, paste the measurement ID into the plugin's GA4 field and save settings to begin data collection immediately. Now you implement and verify. If using a plugin, enable enhanced measurement to capture scrolls, outbound clicks, and file downloads. If adding code manually, insert the GA4 snippet into header. PHP before the closing head tag. Next, open Google Analytics real-time reports and visit your site in another tab. You should see your active user session within seconds. If real-time shows activity, make sure key events are firing correctly by testing clicks and form submissions to confirm accurate event capture. Finish by mapping important events to conversions, form submits, purchases, or newsletter signups so you can measure impact. Once conversions are configured, allow 24 hours for aggregated data to populate standard reports. If data is missing, check for conflicts. Caching plugins, ad blockers, or duplicate tags cause issues. One key troubleshooting tip. Use an incognito window with cache cleared and the Google Tag Assistant, or GTM debug, to confirm a single active GA4 tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.